Hello everyone, this is Vincent Chan from Podder.net.
Hi everyone.
So 2 days ago, Xiaomi launched the Mi 10 series globally. And before they talked more about the Xiaomi Mi 10 series, they took the opportunity to thank their community. As you guys may know, Xiaomi is all about no me without you. And to showcase the sincerity of their gesture, they donated masks to the whole of Europe to make sure that everyone is safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. And they went on to highlight that over 10 million USD of their revenue was from outside China, and that made up 49% of their revenue in Q3 2019. So that's a very huge figure for Xiaomi. And now Xiaomi is going to announce 3 new 5G smartphones, which include the Xiaomi Mi 10,
Mi 10,
Mi 10 Pro,
and the Mi 10 Pro.
and Mi 10 Lite.
The Mi 10 Lite 5G.
So I think by now you have seen the tagline "Lights Camera Action" all over Facebook and also other social media. And with a tagline like that, you expect the Mi 10 to offer a very good camera. So first up, they decided to boast of the Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro's videography capabilities. There's 8K recording for super detailed videos while also giving you the room to crop in when you need to. Portrait video, which blurs out the background of your subjects in video to make sure that it can stand out. Color focus for you to apply even more emphasis on your subject by turning the background into grayscale. And shoot steady mode, which combines OIS and software enhancements to let you take smooth, stable videos. This feature was first introduced in the Mi Note 10, but since the camera and processor here are even better, maybe you will see even better quality videos from the Mi 10. Last but not least, they also announced Pro mode for videos, which lets you adjust the camera settings manually. There's also Log mode, which is like RAW mode, but for videos, and it gives you more control over your videos. And to really nail in the point of how awesome the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro's camera is, this is a video by Luis Guanzon taken with the Mi 10 Pro. Wow! Wow! Then we go on to look at the Xiaomi Mi 10's photography chops. With the 108MP camera spearheading the quad camera setup on the Mi 10 series, we wouldn't expect anything less out of them. Here we see the absolutely stunning dynamic range in the Mi 10's camera and also the distortion correction working on the ultra-wide angle in the Mi 10 Pro. What's probably more amazing is the Night Mode 2.0 though, which as you can see takes awesome photos in low light situations, even fireworks, which is definitely one of the more challenging subjects to capture with a smartphone. Then we take a look at AI 2.0, which helps you take great photos in one click without additional effort. Sounds perfect for me. And then there's the zoom range of the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, which goes all the way from 0.6 times to 50 times with the ability to spot far away objects that can't even see with your naked eyes. DxOMark has dubbed the Mi 10 as the new leader in smartphone camera image quality, and we are truly excited to put that claim to the test. And now of course, in Xiaomi's tradition of torturing their latest and greatest, they have sent the 108MP sensor found in the Mi 10 series to space on a satellite just so you can get these awesome images to use as your wallpaper. Last but not least, there's a hardware flicker sensor which syncs the shutter speed to the refresh rate of the display you're capturing to avoid the unsightly bending effects you have normally seen on traditional smartphones. And next up, the design. Xiaomi has equipped the Xiaomi Mi 10 series with all the best hardware they can get their hands on, and that includes true dual stereo speakers. The speakers are high-res audio certified and they're also symmetrical so you can get true stereo audio unlike what you get from the competition. The speakers are also huge compared to the competition like the iPhone 11 Pro Max and S20 Ultra. For the Mi 10 series, they also crammed the selfie camera into a tiny hole. Instead of putting it into the center, they also put it into a corner so that it doesn't get in the way of your gaming and video enjoyment. Now speaking of the display is also very amazing with a 90Hz smooth sync refresh rate and also features true color. The Delta E figures of these displays are below 1.1, which is ridiculously color accurate on par with professional displays. There's also insanely high contrast ratio and a retina melting 1200 nits peak brightness. And since we're on the topic of colors, the Mi 10 series come in 4 different colors. For the Mi 10 Pro, you can get it
in a smooth matte solstice grey and matte alpine white,
which comes with gold trim too. Meanwhile, the Mi 10 comes in
coral green and twilight grey
with a traditional glossy finish. And finally, we now come to the performance aspect. The Mi 10 series are equipped with the Snapdragon 865 chipsets, which are the fastest chipsets Qualcomm have to offer. They're not only faster than the previous generation, but also more efficient, which should promise better battery life. To get everything running optimally, the Mi 10 series sports the Liquid Cool 2.0 vapor chamber system, which keeps the chipset up to 10.5 degrees Celsius cooler. There's also LPDDR5 and UFS 3.0 to deliver that fluid, snappy, flagship-grade experience. And since it's the Snapdragon 865 chipset we're talking about, there's also 5G and Wi-Fi 6, with the latter promising up to 3 times faster speeds than Wi-Fi 5. It also promises a better experience in busy Wi-Fi environments, and thanks to TWT, you get better battery life too. To support the Mi 10, there's also the Mi AIoT router AX3600, which comes with an AIoT dedicated antenna and automatic discovery of Mi IoT devices priced from €120. For those who are more budget conscious, Xiaomi offers the Mi AIoT router AC2350, which is priced from just €50. And coming back to the Mi 10, we now learn that it's a powerful device, literally, because the Mi 10 Pro supports a whopping 50W wired charging rate, which gives you a full charge in just 45 minutes. Meanwhile, the Mi 10 gets 30W fast charging. Both of the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro gets 30W wireless charging, which gives you a full charge in just 65 minutes. Both of the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro come with reverse wireless charging too, so they can help your friends who are running out of battery. In addition to all that, there are huge batteries in the Mi 10 series. The Mi 10 gets a huge 4780 mAh battery, while the Mi 10 Pro gets a 4500 mAh one. In the box, the Mi 10 Pro comes with a 65-watt charger, so you don't have to worry about being forced to buy it separately. And now you can listen to him boast about what's in the Mi 10 series and specifically the vibration motor, because apparently the vibrator here is really awesome.
Yeah, boy.
What about pricing and availability, you ask? Well, the Mi 10 is priced from
799 euros.
while the Mi 10 Pro is priced from
And 999 euros for Mi 10 Pro.
Pre-orders in Europe begin on 1st April, while sales are expected to commence on 15 April. The pre-order goodies are pretty interesting too, and hopefully we'll get to see them here in Malaysia as well. And now for the third member of the Mi 10 series, the Mi 10 Lite 5G. It offers most of the video capabilities of the Mi 10 flagship, except that the main camera is a 48 megapixel one here. It will be available in 3 colors, white, grey and green. No fancy names here though for some weird reason. Under the hood of the Mi 10 Lite 5G is a Snapdragon 765 chipset and a 4160 mAh battery. Meanwhile, on the front, you get a 6.57-inch AMOLED display that also features true color technology, so you can get probably very accurate colors even on the Mi 10 Lite 5G. And all that is offered for just 349 euros, making the Mi 10 Lite one of the most affordable 5G smartphones yet, if not the most interesting one.
Nice.
And last but not least, they announced the latest addition to the IoT family with the new Mi TV 4S 65-inch TV, which is a 4K HDR10 Plus display with Play Store support, voice control in the remote and integrated Chromecast, priced from just 549 euros. Then there's the Mi Air Purifier 3H, which sports a true HEPA filter touch AMOLED display for just 180 euros. And for even more ridiculous value, you can get the Mi TV, Mi Air Purifier, Mi AIoT router AC2350 and the Mi LEDs in the Mi Smart Bundle for just 699 euros. And last but not least, the Mi True Wireless Earphone 2, which come with a better design and better sound quality for just 80 euros. And so that's it for our recap of the Mi 10 series global launch event. And thank you guys for watching our video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like our Facebook page, follow our Instagram and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.